Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel, Shells Hearts Art, and today I'll be doing a fabric haul video, and I'll also be doing a small March sewing plans video. So yeah, for my fabric haul video, it's everything from sewoverit.com. So let's get started. The first fabric I'll be talking about is this stretch knit right here. It's a jersey knit, I think, and it has this cute novelty print on it with the flamingos, the palm trees, the shades, the coconut. It has the cute pink color. It's a very youthful print and I adore it so much, so I know that I had to have it in my fabric stash. It's a great print also to make something for a little girl. I also think this will make a cute Agnes tee or any type of stretch cotton knit type of shirt. So yeah, I think this would be cute to create something with and add to my wardrobe. So yeah, that's the first thing I got from sewoverit.com. Next is this cotton poplin, and it's just a print with threads, buttons, pins, everything that a sewist has in their supply kit. So yeah, I think this will make a fun top to wear while you're sewing actually. But I also think it'll be great to add to like a decorative house item. So yeah, I think this is very versatile. Cotton poplin is a very versatile fabric, so I think this will be very fun to create something with. Next is this stretch cotton. It is it's called Aloha print, and I saw this on sewoverit.com, and it says that it's great to make the ultimate trousers with. So I do see how this would work great to make the ultimate trousers. It's a stretch cotton. However, this print, it screams dress to me, so I definitely see myself making a dress with it. Now don't quote me on that. I tend to go, like, my mind tends to go from one place to another when it comes to sewing plans, so hopefully I stick to my plans and make a dress with it. If I don't, please don't judge me. But I do think this will make a great dress. Next is another stretch cotton, and I did buy this stretch cotton with the intention to make the ultimate trousers with. Now this is called apricot, and it has such a smooth feel to it. It's just a nice simple color, a nice plain fabric that I think will make great ultimate trousers. Yeah, so when I saw it, I had to have it. And speaking of ultimate trousers, I did purchase the pattern, and I have it right here. So I ordered this from sewoverit.com, and I actually like both versions, so I hope to make both eventually. Sometime this year I hope to accomplish either the pants or the shorts. But I do think the apricot stretch cotton will make great ultimate trousers. So yeah, and it's a very it looks like it's not too complicated. Hopefully it's not, we'll see. But you do get a little booklet, and they use the, oh yeah, they have the pattern here. So yeah, you have the standard pattern paper, and it just has a small booklet. So yeah, hopefully I do accomplish these pants sometime this year. Next, I'll be talking about my March sewing plan. So I know that it's the end of February, and usually at this time of the year it's time to talk about my sewing makes. However, I was quite busy in the month of February, so I didn't have much time to sew anything. The most I've done was pick fabrics for my March projects, and I have that here. I plan to make 2 dresses for family members. They requested that I make something for them, so I have the patterns here, and one is this one right here, and I'm attempting to make this view. This is Simplicity 8293, and this is view A, and it's a lace overlay pattern. So yeah, this should be a little challenging for me, but fun as well. So I do plan to accomplish this in the month of March, so we'll see how that goes. Hopefully I get to talk about it in a sew and tell video, or at least a March makes video. We'll see. And then another project is this McCall's pattern, and this is M7683, and this dress right here, this is view, well, it doesn't really have a view, it just has 1.6, so it's kind of a mix and match pattern. But I do plan to recreate this dress right here. I think it is stunning, and I hope that I accomplish it on time. Okay, so yeah, I hope to talk about that in a sew and tell video or a March makes video. So yeah, those are my fabrics for the month, and those are my March sewing plans. So if you like what you saw, feel free to comment, like, subscribe. I said that very backwards. Like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on social media, Instagram, Shells Hearts Art. And I hope you all have a nice day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.